What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one, I got an email from Tesla about free Mudflaps for Canadians. That's what I have here today. These are the actual Tesla branded ones, and this is the first time I'm opening it up, so I have no idea what's inside. We have a book that has the Tesla logo. It says Model 3, Mudflap and Splash Guard kit installation. Should probably look at that. Can't be that hard to install. We'll look at that in a sec. Throw it off on the side. And then we have these. So, plastic finish over here, and then it's rubberish over here. It obviously has some play, so we'll throw it off on the side. We have this one, and we have this bag here with parts. And I think that's it. So that's all we have. I'm going to read the manual, figure out the installation process, and then I will take you through the installation process and then tell you what I think along the way or after. All right, so let's go out. So the first step is you want to turn your wheel all the way over. So I'm doing the far right side, so you want to turn the wheel all the way to the right. If you're doing the left wheel, you want to turn it all the way to the left. And then there are clips over here. There's a clip here, and then there's another clip over there. You want to remove both of those clips. So you just get a flathead screwdriver is what they said, and they should just pop right out. So the next step, underneath your car, so you have your front wheel here and the front of the car's over there. But underneath over here, there's a little panel thing that has to pop out. So you just have to pull it out, and then there's a washer, I believe, on the inside that has to come out. So that's the next step. Okay, so just a correction, it is the bolt and the washer that you're removing. You have to use a 10mm socket to remove both. So that's what we're doing now. So you have to use scissors, and this is the cover, like the actual door that you opened up. So you have to use scissors and cut it off as clean as possible. So the next step is to install these clips. You have to pull down the piece over here, as the manual says, and then you have to make sure that the holes align accordingly. The piece that sticks out, you want that on the outside. Sorry, I mean you want that on the inside, not the outside. So piece that sticks out on the inside. The next step is to take the tape off and then push them down to hold them together. This is, of course, if you're planning to install these splash guards, this is what you want to do. So take off this, tape it on, slide it in, tape it on, and then push it together so it really stays as one. Okay, so your last step is to put on this bolt, that bolt there, which I still have to tighten down, and then there's one underneath. These two, they give you washers for. The bottom one, you're taking it off, that has a washer. It's like built in, but the new one you're putting on does not have one. So anyway, that's more or less the Tesla Mudflaps for the front. I've only done one side so far, but you just replicate the steps on this side to the other side. So what do you guys think? Did you guys get Mudflaps already? Are you planning to get the Tesla ones? I know it's only in Ontario, Canada right now, as far as I know, but if you guys are planning on getting Mudflaps, let me know. Are you waiting for Teslas? Are you going to use a third party? Leave a comment down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to thumbs it up. Do subscribe for the latest and greatest Tesla content. And as always, most importantly, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.